I'm back in Dipti's Healthy Kitchen, and today I'm going to make two unique chocolates for Raksha Bandhan. So let's see the ingredients. So the ingredients are wafer shells, dark chocolate, white chocolate, desiccated coconut, chopped almond and cashew, and chopped pistachio. So let's get started. In 50 grams of melted dark chocolate, I have added 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. And here I have taken roasted almonds and cashews and chopped it. So now we will add 4 tablespoons in and we will mix it well. So after mixing it will look like this, and now we will fill the shells. In case you don't have wafer shells, you can roll the stuffing into balls and then cover it with white chocolate. So now I have filled all the shells. Now we have to stick them like this, and for that we need to apply white chocolate on the borders. We will close it like this. Now we will dip it inside. Now we will coat with pistachio. So now the chocolates are ready, so we will put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now we will start the second chocolate. For this, we will need 1 slice of cake and we will crumble it. And now we will add 2 spoons of jam. After mixing, it will look something like this, and now we will add this mixture in these shells. And we have filled all the shells, and for joining the shells we will use white chocolate. Dip it in chocolate. We will take the desiccated coconut and put in it. So it's ready now. So our second chocolate is also ready, and we'll freeze it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So the chocolates are ready now, and we'll serve it in serving cups. In my birthday party, I always serve this to my friends and they love it. You all also please try this at home, and comment below if this turns out a special recipe. Try this recipe and make your Raksha Bandhan more special. So our unique, delicious and tempting chocolate balls are ready to eat. I will be back with more easy and interesting recipes. But for now, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.